Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia XZ2. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be snow showers with a high of 3 and a low of 2.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.